Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Today I accidentally saw a peace lily pot left on a pile of dry plants. At first glance, the plant had yellow leaves, was wilted, and looked very weak. The previous owner probably thought it could not be saved anymore, so they threw it away. Many people may think that this plant cannot be saved. But in fact, if handled properly, the plant still has a chance to recover and grow again. So I decided to bring the plant home to try to restore it. With a few simple steps and familiar ingredients in the kitchen, we can completely help the plant become healthy again. Can this peace lily pot become green and bloom again? Let's follow along. First, cut off the wilted and yellow leaves. This helps the plant remove weakened parts that can no longer recover, thereby focusing nutrients on healthier parts such as roots and young leaves. At the same time, pruning also helps reduce the risk of fungal disease spread, keeping the plant clean and more ventilated. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After that, take the plant out of the pot and remove all the old soil. This helps eliminate pathogens, fungi, and long-accumulated residues, while also checking the root system to cut off damaged, rotten, or weak roots. As a result, the plant has a cleaner and more ventilated environment, creating conditions for new roots to grow healthily and absorb nutrients better after replanting. Next step, rinse the plant under clean running water. Wash the plant gently, focusing on cleaning all roots, stems, and leaves to remove dirt, residue, and remaining impurities. This helps the environment around the plant become cleaner and more ventilated. At the same time, cleaning also helps reduce the risk of fungi and bacteria, creating conditions for the plant to absorb water and nutrients better in the next care steps. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After that, place the plant in a dry, cool place and avoid direct sunlight. This helps the plant reduce water loss and limit thermal shock after being cleaned. At the same time, a ventilated environment helps the plant dry naturally, limiting prolonged moisture, thereby reducing the risk of fungal diseases. During the waiting time, I will prepare a fertilizer solution to disinfect and sterilize the peace lily. Here, I use garlic to disinfect the plant. Garlic is not only a familiar kitchen ingredient, but also a natural material that effectively supports plant care. I use 3 cloves of garlic. Next, peel the garlic and keep only the inner flesh. Peeling helps remove the dry outer layer, where dirt and impurities easily stick, thereby ensuring the material is cleaner before use. At the same time, when removing this layer, the inner garlic flesh will directly contact the water, helping natural compounds such as allicin to be released better during soaking or processing. As a result, the prepared solution will be richer in nutrients and more effective, helping the plant increase resistance, limit fungal diseases, and grow more healthily. Next step, use a knife to slice the garlic into thin pieces as shown in the video. Slicing helps increase the contact area, thereby allowing natural compounds in garlic to dissolve into the water more easily. As a result, the obtained solution will be richer in nutrients and more effective, supporting antibacterial action, limiting fungal diseases, and helping the plant grow healthily. Next, I finely chop the sliced garlic. Chopping helps break down the garlic structure, thereby releasing more natural compounds such as allicin. As a result, when soaked in water, the nutrients will dissolve faster and become more concentrated, helping the solution work more effectively in antibacterial action and supporting plant growth. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Next, put all the chopped garlic into a clean glass cup. Then add about 500 milliliters of hot water to stimulate the compounds in garlic to dissolve quickly into the water. Finally, cover and incubate the solution for 1 hour. During the waiting time, I proceed to prepare the growing medium for planting. Here, I prepare a pot of soil as shown in the video. Before planting, it is necessary to loosen the soil and check its aeration, while removing hard soil, rotten roots, or remaining impurities. Preparing the growing medium helps create a more ventilated, clean, and stable environment, allowing roots to easily develop, anchor firmly, and absorb nutrients better after replanting. After 1 hour, when the solution has cooled, I use a strainer to filter out the residue, keeping only the pure liquid. This liquid is what we need. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. Use the prepared garlic solution, then pour it into a clean cup, as shown in the video. Next, place the peace lily into a plastic cup, ensuring the roots are completely submerged in the solution, while the stem and leaves remain above and are not soaked. This placement helps the roots absorb nutrients directly and more effectively, while avoiding water accumulation on the stem or leaves, reducing the risk of rot and helping the plant recover better. After that, use a soft cotton pad soaked in the garlic solution, then gently wipe the leaf surface. Wipe both the upper and lower sides of the leaves, especially areas where dust easily accumulates, to remove dirt and help the leaves become more ventilated. At the same time, natural compounds in garlic also support antibacterial action, limit fungal diseases, helping the leaves stay clean, green, and healthy. Finally, soak the plant for about 15 minutes so it is fully disinfected in the garlic solution. For the remaining solution, I will pour it into a spray bottle, then use it to spray other plants in the garden. Here, I spray it on the Zamioculcas plant. This garlic solution contains natural compounds with antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping protect plants from harmful agents. When sprayed evenly on leaves, stems, and hidden areas, it helps clean the plant surface. In addition, misting also helps plants absorb some nutrients through the leaves, increasing resistance and helping plants grow more stably with less stress. After 15 minutes, take the plant out of the garlic solution. Next, use a paper towel to dry any remaining water on the plant. This helps limit prolonged water retention, which is an environment that easily develops fungi and harmful bacteria. At the same time, keeping the plant dry and ventilated helps it stabilize faster after treatment, thereby supporting recovery and healthier growth. Final step, replant the plant. You need to use a pot with loose soil prepared earlier. Next, use a small pot as shown in the video. The pot must have drainage holes at the bottom to avoid water stagnation causing root rot. Then, use a string as shown in the video. Thread it down to the bottom of the pot. This string helps wick water from below. First, spread a layer of soil at the bottom of the pot. This helps create a stable base and supports better drainage, preventing root waterlogging. Then, place the plant in the center of the pot, keeping it upright and balanced. Next, add more soil around the base, ensuring the soil covers the roots but is not too compacted, allowing root space to develop and breathe better. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. That's it. We have finished planting the plant. After that, prepare a cup as shown in the video and place the newly planted peace lily pot into the cup, performing the same steps as I did. Finally, water the peace lily pot with clean water as shown in the video. The excess water will flow down to the bottom of the pot and be retained in the lower layer, then gradually be drawn back up through the string. This method helps maintain stable moisture for the roots. As a result, the plant is always supplied with water gently, avoiding root rot while still preventing dryness. Place the plant in a dry, cool, and well-ventilated place, avoiding direct sunlight. This helps reduce water loss and limit thermal shock after replanting. At the same time, a ventilated environment helps limit fungal diseases and creates conditions for root stabilization. Result. These are plants I have grown using the hydroponic method. You can see, the leaves have improved significantly, becoming greener, thicker, and shinier, showing that photosynthesis has improved, helping the plant grow more stably and healthily. The root system has developed strongly, with many new white, plump roots and fresh green root tips. In a hydroponic environment, roots spread evenly in the water, helping the plant continuously absorb nutrients and adapt better. In addition, with the same care method, another plant has also bloomed very beautifully and stably. The flowers bloom evenly in waves, with thick and firm petals, bright colors, and longer-lasting durability compared to before. Not only that, the flower form is also more balanced and attractive. The petals open evenly without deformation or quick fading. The flowering time is significantly extended, helping the pot always stay vibrant and full of life. This shows that when plants are properly cared for, the flowering process will occur naturally, stably, and sustainably, bringing high aesthetic value to your space. This is a worthy result of patience and proper care. When nurtured properly, the plant will reward you with lasting vitality and refined beauty. If you find the video useful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss simple and effective plant care tips. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.